Homemade chicken pakoras with watermelon cooler, Iftar and Ramadan special. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. I hope you're all doing well. With Ramadan just around the corner, it's time to start preparing some delicious iftar recipes. Today, we have something special for you, homemade chicken pakoras paired with a refreshing watermelon cooler. It's not only a mouth-watering treat but also an affordable and beginner-friendly recipe. So, let's dive into the ingredients and preparation methods. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Now, let's jump into the kitchen. Ingredients for chicken pakoras. For the chicken pakoras, you will need 500 grams boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 cup gram flour, besan. 2 tablespoons rice flour. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust according to your spice preference. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Half cup chopped cilantro, coriander leaves. Half cup chopped mint leaves. Water for batter consistency. Oil for deep frying. Preparation for chicken pakoras. Now, let's start with the preparation of our delicious chicken pakoras. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine gram flour, rice flour, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. 2. Add ginger garlic paste to the dry ingredients and mix well. 3. Gradually add water while stirring continuously to form a smooth, lump-free batter. The consistency should be thick enough to coat the chicken pieces. 4. Now, fold in the chopped cilantro and mint leaves into the batter for that extra burst of flavor. 5. Add the bite-sized chicken pieces to the batter, ensuring each piece is well coated. 6. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. 7. Carefully drop the coated chicken pieces into the hot oil and fry until golden brown and crispy. 8. Once done, remove the chicken pakoras with a slotted spoon and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. While our chicken pakoras are sizzling away, let's move on to our refreshing watermelon cooler. Ingredients for watermelon cooler. For the watermelon cooler, you will need 4 cups diced watermelon, seeds removed. 1 tablespoon fresh mint leaves, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons honey or sugar, adjust to taste. 2 cups chilled water. Ice cubes for serving. Preparation for watermelon cooler. This watermelon cooler is not only a thirst quencher but also complements the spicy chicken pakoras perfectly. Let's make it. 1. In a blender, combine diced watermelon, chopped mint leaves, lemon juice, and honey. 2. Blend until smooth and well combined. 3. Strain the watermelon mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp, leaving you with a smooth juice. 4. In a large jug, mix the watermelon juice with chilled water. 5. Give it a good stir and taste. Adjust sweetness and acidity according to your preference by adding more honey or lemon juice if needed. Putting it all together. Now that our chicken pakoras are crispy and our watermelon cooler is chilling in the fridge, let's plate up our iftar special. 1. Arrange the golden brown chicken pakoras on a serving platter. 2. Garnish with additional chopped cilantro and mint leaves for a burst of freshness. 3. Serve the chicken pakoras with a side of mint chutney or your favorite dipping sauce. And there you have it, a delicious and affordable iftar special with homemade chicken pakoras and a refreshing watermelon cooler. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. These recipes are perfect for beginners and are sure to be a hit during the holy month of Ramadan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment below with your favorite Ramadan recipes. If you enjoy this recipe, please subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, Ramadan Mubarak.